Flood Out Restoration offers superior speed, local focus, and a heart of service for flood restoration services in Greater Longview and East Texas. More details can be found at https://www.floodoutrestoration.com. Flood Out Restoration aims to be the leading choice for East Texans by emphasizing their strengths. Owner Wes Markham highlights their commitment to speedy, local, customer-centered service, distinguishing them from nationwide franchises. Known for personalized care, Flood Out Restoration stands out in the region's water damage cleanup industry and is dedicated to serving customers for over 25 years. This initiative offers Greater Longview and East Texas residents an opportunity to experience their exceptional service firsthand. Flood Out Restoration acquires First Call Restoration, offering superior speed, local focus, and heart of service in flood restoration for Greater Longview and East Texas area. Click the link in the description to find out more.